We've developed pre-made impact templates for some of the most common designs we see. Creating these models using impact is incredibly easy because the base of the model is already built for you. All you have to do is download the template and start customizing it to fit your application needs. Here's one of our lead application engineers to show you how.
So to access the GlideLine templates, they are currently located on our website. If you scroll over to Resources under Equipment Info in CAD, you will see a section for Layout Templates. So there is a quick start guide for templates to get you kind of step by step through how to use these. And this is where we will find our lift and transfer square loop layout. So once you click that link, it's going to start downloading a zip file. You can take that zip file and you can paste it into your local folder. And inside of that zip file, you will see we have our GlideLine Impact Excel file and the GlideLine Impact SolidWorks assembly file. So we can go ahead and open up the SolidWorks assembly file. And once that's opened up, we can go ahead and open up the Impact Configurator. Once that opens, you will need to enable content, enable editing, and enable content. You also need to link the GlideLine folder to this document. So you go ahead and click OK, and you're just going to direct it towards the GlideLine folder that you saved. Hover over that, you hit OK. And if you haven't registered before, you can go ahead and click the registration, otherwise we can continue to register. So now we have our impact and our SolidWorks model ready to go, and they are both named the same file name, so they are linked. So for this one, we are going to go ahead and increase the length of our transverse conveyors, and we are going to update our pallet size to a 240 by 240 pallet. So for this, we can first update the trunk line conveyors to represent a 240 pallet. Go ahead and update. Okay, and you'll see in our model, it now has updated our conveyors for a 240 wide pallet. So let's go ahead and update the rest of the components. So next we can update the leg sets. The leg sets need to be a 240 pallet. We can go ahead and update and confirm. Alright. And like I said before, we are, in addition to the pallet size change, we are also going to increase the length of this conveyor. We're going to increase this to 1200. And also change it to 40. Update the SolidWorks model. Check in on our conveyor. We have a lot of size updates. So we can update our standard leg sets. Now we can update the lift and transfers. New pallet size. Model. Check into our model. You see it looks like we just have to update one more LTU and the slave kit. So we can update those together. This is the LTU slave kit. Updating this to a 240 by 240 pallet. Alright, everything has now been adjusted for our 240 by 240 pallet size. So the last thing we need to do is update these tandem leg sets to account for the new length of our transverse conveyor. So, because the new length of our conveyor is 1200, we can open up the tandem leg set. We can now put 1200 millimeters as the distance between the conveyors. So as you will see, there are some mates that can get construed. One easy thing is to make a copy of the part that is giving you issues and just remating it. You can just go ahead and remate back to where they need to go. Shouldn't be a problem. So if we head back to our impact configurator, we can go ahead and count parts in SolidWorks. And now you'll see we have updated pricing for the new size and length changes that we made to our model.
If you want more info about Impact, we have an extensive resource library on our site. We also have other templates you can check out as well. Thanks.